Mr. Williams wants to show his students a correlation between study time and test grades. He randomly selects 8 students and asks them how many minutes they spent studying for the most recent test. And he compares the students' study time with their test grades, and his data is organized in a table. So, if the data is best represented by a quadratic function, what is the appropriate or approximate test grade for a student who studies for 23 minutes? So let's put this table in Desmos and let's do a quadratic regression and make a prediction for 23 minutes. So here is the table. It's on, let's see, number 10. And let's cut it on here. All right, you probably can't see the data until we zoom out. There we go. All right, so and we're going to use a quadratic regression, and we actually should, because that's actually a pretty good fit there. If we did a linear, let's see, we do a linear? Oh, we'll just do a quadratic. All right, so in order to do a quadratic regression, you're going to type in y. You actually don't need the twos there. You're just going to say y tilde ax squared plus bx plus c. You don't need the twos because I used the twos because I used the x earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and show that graph, and then what we're going to do is type just notice what a is, what b is, and what c is. So when we type the quadratic y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, we're going to put in those values in for a, b, and c. And I rounded it up just slightly so it'd be easier, but you don't have to round, but it's probably a good idea. It's okay to do so. So once you round it, then you're going to, once you have typed this equation, I recommend that you copy it, duplicate it, then turn it into a table. When you turn it into a table, it's going to look like this. And this is where it's in the table that you can go ahead and type 23. I'll just erase it right here. The minute you type 23 into that table, that's when you get the estimate is 85. So he should make an 85 on the test. And that's basically it.